Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Lost World Jurassic Park PlayStation, the game. The Lost World Jurassic Park is an action adventure video game, and it's released on August 27th, 1997. And those of you ask, no, I haven't played the game. I was only born in '99, so I would have known about it. Now here's a little bit of history of the game. Pause it for yourself if you want to read it. Before we get to dinosaurs and reptiles that had appeared in the game and some are cut from the game. This game is rated teen, which means it had somewhat blood and gore and a lot of deaths. So this is your warning. Here we have Compsognathus, or Compy for short. You know, not bad for a 90s model 3D model. And a Velociraptor nublarensis. And I know what you're gonna say. No, that's not the Velociraptor. Calm down. It's just a movie. Jurassic Park / World Velociraptor. And Tyrannosaurus Rex. I can't tell if it has two fingers or one. A 3D model. Can't even tell. That's just me. And here we have Allosaurus. You know, good props to the guy who made the models. I'm impressed. And here you have Baryonyx. And most of the dinosaurs in each level had a gallery. A Brachiosaurus in a Compy level. And Carnotaurus. And Deinonychus. I'm surprised that they include another dromaeosaurid in the game. And Dilophosaurus was not in the game, only as a wildlife ambient instead. And Dimetrodon, which was cut from the final version of the game, was replaced with Deinonychus. You know, I'm kind of disappointed. I would have liked to see Dimetrodon in the game, but no. And Euoplocephalus, a relative of Ankylosaurs. And Geostaburnia, a pteranodon, appeared in the game in the T-Rex level, which you can see on the far left, above it. And Giganotosaurus was going to appear in the game, but it was cut in favor of T-Rex and Allosaurus. Man, such a shame. I would have liked to seen a Carcharodontosaur in a game, but no. And Leptoceratops also appeared in the game in the Compy level. And Oreodromeus appeared in the game in the Compy level. And Pachycephalosaurus appeared in the game. And a Parasaurolophus that was also cut from the game. And Parasuchus. But wait, there's something wrong with the name. It's an error that they didn't even finish writing. Anyways, Parasuchus. First appearance in the Lost World Jurassic Park, the video game. And Psittacosaurus, only as a wildlife ambient. And Rhamphorhynchus, and Styracosaurus also appeared in the game. And Stegosaurus also appeared in the game. And in the Compy gallery, on the bottom, you can see that there's a trilobite on the bottom, and some fish swimming around. I don't know what species it is, but post down in the comments below what species they are. And last but not least, Triceratops. Judging from the appearance, I'd say it's Triceratops horridus or Triceratops porsus. Well, in the world today, in video game and movie making of dinosaurs, you have to pick which species to be appeared in the game or in movies, like Triceratops porsus or horridus, and etc. Well, that's all the time we have for today, folks. So, like and subscribe, hit post to get notified for new videos. And yeah, next time I'm gonna be doing Zoo Tycoon 2 Extinct Animals. So yeah, see you later, guys.